extending your Java domain indirectly. Core, advanced. Java categorized into two forms, core and advanced. When you are coming to advanced Java, one advantage will be there. In core Java, what you are doing also one question mark only. Sir, where I should use threading, where I should use networking, where I should use file, where I should use methods, where I should use constructors. For everything, one conclusion will not be there. So n number of components will be there. N number of things we learn it from core Java, but conclusions will be very less. But advanced Java, bit interesting will be there. For everything, one conclusion will be there. Moreover, is known as application. Set of programs collected together to perform defined action is known as application. Is known as application. All of you clear about this statement, right? These applications are categorized into four types. Make it. Types of applications. Types of applications. Applications are categorized into four types. Applications are categorized into four types. 1. Stand alone applications. Stand alone applications. Web applications. Enterprise applications. Mobile applications. We broadly categorized this application into four types: standalone, web, enterprise, and mobile. The applications standalone, one line. The applications which are installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer are known as stand-alone applications. The applications which are installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer are known as standalone applications. Stand-alone applications. Generally in core Java starting we write this. Generally, standalone applications. Now, based on user interaction, make it. Based on user interaction, Stand-alone applications are categorized into two types based on user interaction. Standalone applications are categorized into two types. The meaning is how user interacts. Based on that, there are two types. You can say CUI applications. You can say GUI applications. You can say two types. CUI applications and GUI applications. 1 minute. Can you see correctly now? Okay. Now, CUI, GUI. CUI means console user interface. GUI means graphical user interface. Make it. CUI applications. The applications in which user interacts through console. Interacts through console. Console means command prompt. Console are known as CUI applications. CUI applications. Here CUI stands for console user interface. You can say. Total core Java CUI only. Maybe through Notepad or Edit Plus or Eclipse. Total CUI only. The total practices we do with CUI mode only, console user interface mode. Second one is available GUI. The applications in which user interacts through GUI components. GUI components are known as GUI applications. Here GUI means graphical user interface. Generally, nowadays we are not giving training on GUI. We trainers, when we are giving training on core Java, we are not touching any programs on GUI. The reason behind that is student who is entering into the Samirpet area is going to start his career with HTML 1 batch, sir, Oracle 1 batch, sir, core Java 1 batch. Like this, we start parallelly. That is a work you are doing. HTML means front end. Oracle means back end. Core Java means middle end. Because your career starting with 3 papers. That's the reason. When a student starting with HTML, then why GUI? Not needed. Because you are our career oriented students. University oriented students means they must read Swing, AWT, because they have tried for the university, you know. For you, career-oriented students, sir, directly one job only, sir. Job means directly working. When you are working, GUI not there, no. Because of this reason, your management is giving HTML directly to you. So this GUI programming became less used in this area. In a university syllabus, any Java paper is there. The name is web technologies will be there. The name. Last unit, they give introduction to GUI. They'll keep 3-4 exams in your lab record also to give a awareness to the student. When you come to real-time scenario, GUI programming not available. GUI means buttons clicking and no application. I'll show this in advanced and core. This kind of applications you never practice. This is GUI. Clicking on button, something you are doing. Sir, this kind of action, why, sir? Because I'm doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular. I can develop my page very rich UI I can develop. So this is not needed for me in applicative area. That only GUI applications. This became weaker in the real-time scenario for us. We make it the following for awareness. We use the following to design GUI components. GUI components. One is AWT. So abstract window toolkit. One is swing. Swing don't have any abbreviation like this. So all your practices will be CUI application practices only for you. Means everything we test it. Core Java means testing only. Practicing variable, practicing method, practicing block, practicing constructor, practicing references like this. The concepts we practice by writing in Eclipse or any other mode, and we test the programs whether you are understanding or not. Like this, any error comes, we'll correct it and we'll learn it. That inputs are given in the form of CUI. That's the information to you. So anyway, you are sitting in advanced Java means your target is not standalone. Your target is what now? Web application is your target. So whether project came out of core Java, project did not came out of core Java, secondary. But our target now is for web applications is our target. So make it second one, star mark IMP, our target. Advance our targets, second mode of application, web applications. Web applications. The applications which are executed in Can you see my screen, online people? Can you see my screen now? Say yes or no to me once. Right. The applications which are executed in web environment or internet environment are known as web applications, or you can say internet applications. Web applications or internet applications, you can say. So our target is that only. Core Java standalone. Whatever the programs you write, they are all CUI applications. And now you are targeting web applications. So whenever you want to construct web applications, make it. We use the following technologies to construct web applications. To construct web applications. JDBC, servlet, JSP. And we are getting awareness on EL and JSTL. EL and JSTL. So our syllabus is 4 components. EL and JSTL part of JSP only, you can say 3. JDBC, servlet, JSP. Part of JSP we had EL and JSTL. Training is available. So these 4 components will support to develop web applications. So this is our target generally. All of you understood this? We'll start one by one. JDBC, servlet, JSP. We'll start one by one. We are going to start it. I'm not drawing any diagram here because already you had introduction diagram for you in core generally. In the middle we draw. In the servlet programming started we draw. First unit will be very simple. Without completing core Java also, a student can come to first unit. First unit is JDBC. So JDBC means my flow is first JDBC only. Second servlet, third JSP. So a student without completing core Java, if you know variables and methods, minimum knowledge also, you can sit in first unit, you can sit it. Because first unit web browser not there, HTML not there, server not there. Huge content will not be there in the unit number 1. Just plain Java program interacting with the database. Very simple will be there. Almost we take 15 to 18 sessions. We take it. Means 2 weeks or third week 50% we take. That's the plan. Very short, that is. Just we run all the queries with the Java program. Select query, insert query, update query, delete query. All queries how to run with the Java program, we train it. In 2 weeks to almost third week ending, it will be ended. So servlet programming will be started. It takes 25 to 28 sessions. It takes 1 month. Servlet only biggest. Understood? It takes 1 month time for your servlet. Servlet only backbone. When the servlet comes only, HTML input will come. How to take data from HTML page. How to give the data to HTML page. How to control your database with beans, DAOs. The content will be increased in the chapter number 2. So chapter number 2, we take almost 1 month. Means 26 to 28 working sessions we take advance. Sorry, servlet. And the JSP, nothing will be there again. 12 to almost 10 to 12 sessions. Conclusion. So almost the course takes 2 months time only, not more than that. 26 plus 26 working days will take. Like core Java, it will not go out of your hands. It will be within your hands only because very short course will be there. I mean, our target also, web application is our target. That's the target. Okay, right. So web applications, you got information. Note, NOT, note. So unit number 1, nothing will be there. Remember this statement. All of you knows Oracle, raise your hands. Oracle. Knowing means what? 5 queries only. Create, insert, update, delete, next what? Retrieve. Right. 5 queries you know. How many of you know PLSQL? Raise your hands. right? Less people will be there, real SQL. So I'll run 5 queries. I will train procedure and functions. I'll train it. Remaining are 3-4 concepts will be there. Nothing will be there, JDBC. If you know that 5 queries enough, you can come into Java, advanced Java, minimum knowledge. Okay, right. Note. The above technologies are part of advanced Java syllabus. Advanced Java means web application development indirectly. Advanced Java syllabus means 4. JDBC, Servlet, JSP, ELN, JSTL. In your resume also, Advanced Java, in bracket you must write JDBC, Servlet, JSP, JSTL. So you are exposing to yourself to your market, knowing that JSTL. JSTL very less people knows, but that will help you for Spring. So we are highlighting the title. Okay, right. The above technologies are part of Advanced Java syllabus. Advanced Java completed means these 4 technologies are completed, and here web application development will come. The scores I said no, bit interesting will be there. After 15 days only interesting will be there. So after 15 days completed, project will be started, any one mode. So I will write one project and you should write one project parallelly. Web application you should write. If anybody is having one idea, you can start that idea parallelly. Sir, I'm in some your graduation study or anywhere, any one project incomplete is there, or sir, in my mind I want to do like this, means such things will make you to start from second half, that is second unit onwards. When I started my project flow, you can start it. So all together, my project, your project, and your own project. So total minimum 3 should come out. 3 minimum web application should come out of this room. That's a target. Why means we call it as JSP MVC projects, we say. After that only Spring MVC projects will come. So here I am going to train you about MVC also. So this is our target because I am speaking. So this is our target. Standalone applications, core Java, web applications, advanced Java. You are sitting in advanced Java means you are targeting your web applications. So everybody should learn how to write your own project. Core Java, how to write your own program. That is core Java. At least I am doing one assignment, sir. I done at least assignments from core Java by you know core Java. At least you know how to write one program. Here, how to write one project you must learn. That is a second level. So that is your target. Remember it. By sitting in this room, minimum I should write my own project. I must write. That's what I. After completing advanced Java, then your Spring and web services, they'll bring you to enterprise applications. Write one definition. Enterprise applications. Next level. Through Spring, you had that level. Enterprise applications. Enterprise term represents some business indirectly. The applications which are executing in distributed environment, executing in distributed environment, and depending on the features, like security, load balancing, load balancing, and clustering. The applications which are executing in distributed environment and depending on the features like security, load balancing, and clustering are known as enterprise applications. Are known as enterprise applications. The applications which are executing in distributed environment and depending on the features like security, load balancing, and clustering are known as enterprise applications. There's a next target. So next target, when my course reached to second unit servlet programming, 3 weeks completed, management will be planning a spring for full stack people. They'll plan it. Okay, right. Now some students will ask me a question. The question is, sir, advanced Java not there in the market, they'll say. Some people will say that point. Core Java to advanced Java, from here only remaining will come. Spring or ORMs or any other frameworks will come. Some people will say, advanced Java not available. No, sir, I should learn or not, they'll ask it. Always I'll speak one point for understanding purpose. Your school education, I'll say always. Almost LKG, UKG, first class to 10th class. 12 years. In these 12 years, job not there. But why are you going to school again? Not needed. You can ask your parents directly, join engineering and doctor only directly. Wait for 12 years and join it. That is known as basic. Sir, that school age will create a capability to sit today and write it. I'm writing notes now, sir. If my school age trainer is not there, how will I write a note, sir, today? How I should know the grammar today? They created some capabilities for me for learning the next level. That only core and advanced. Why we trainers are standing there? Many experienced trainers are there. Why we are standing there? The reason that core and advanced will create a capability for the next learning. Many people don't know that point. Go and sit in spring directly after completing your engineering. Malayalam movie without title will be there. Interesting will be there, but I'm not understanding, sir. My uncle said, my brother said, go to Spring Boot. I went, sir. Sir, I'm not understanding, sir. The teacher is downloading one jar there. He is keeping one jar. He is saying beans, sir, XML, sir, mapping, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir, what is happening. How you will understand it? Without fundamental, how you will go? Understood the statement what I'm speaking? Right. First, you must learn CUI application about alphabets, variable, method, block, constructor, how to create one class, how to link classes, how to link objects, and so on. Then you are sitting today here. Advanced Java will play a crucial role for you. How? Daily you are developing these many HTML pages you are developing. From HTML page to Java program, how I should take the data? The data should come or not now? Some registration form, some login form. So I created beautiful colors I created. But how to take the data to my Java program, sir, I should know. That only advanced Java. It will create an awareness to you how to collect the data like this. This will play one crucial role. After playing a crucial role, you'll come to frameworks. When you come to frameworks, enterprise applications will be there. Security will be there. Sir, I know cloning in core Java, but I don't know where to use it, sir. Security. Understood? When? Sir, I'm locking objects, I'm locking methods, I'm locking classes. through multi-threading. Sir, where it is? Security, synchronization. Sir, I am generating two objects, mutable, immutable in core Java. Where I should use, sir? Security. Understood the statement now? So security one part is waiting to you in the level 3. That is enterprise application. Security means you know already. Protecting your data, protecting your components. That's called security. Enterprise application demands security as a feature. Second one, load balance. The meaning, first standalone application, database not there, HTML not there, server not there in core Java. When you come to advanced Java, at least server will come, at least HTML form will come. But internet connection is not mandatory in advanced Java. Level 3, internet connection is mandatory. And your applications will be running with multi-user. When the applications are running in multi-user, load balance is mandatory. So multiple users are interacting with the server. How you balance the load, sir, means that course will train you. Enterprise application demands load balancing, controlling the load on the server. You take banking applications, load balance important. If not, results will not come in time. In time responses will not come if you don't balance the load. All your banking applications comes under enterprise applications. Clustering. Clustering means, many times I said in core also, HDFC Bank ATM card, go and swipe in SBI ATM center. You'll get the cash. HDFC internal components joined SBI components and completed your transaction. Two different components joined together to complete your transaction is clustering. That concept we call it as clustering. So that 3 will play crucial role in level 3. That only Spring will be there, ORMs will be there, web service will be there, microservice will be there. They are all level 3. But whenever you want to go for level 3, you should have a good awareness on advanced. Advanced Java create capability for the level 3. In level 3, enterprise applications are available. These enterprise applications, you can say enterprise distributed applications also. Make a statement. These enterprise applications are also known as enterprise distributed applications. So this is level 3 anyway. And mobile applications are separate domain. This is mobile applications are separate domains. Some people who are entering into core Java, some people will select their career as Android also. That Android applications comes under mobile applications. When you are sitting in advanced Java, your career is not mobile application development. Your career is web and enterprise application development. Web application, complete information will be given by me with minimum 3 project awareness. That is my responsible. After me, one more trainer will come for Spring and web services. He will deal about security, load balance, and clustering. He runs his applications in the internet world and create awareness about your enterprise application domains. That is level 3. Okay, right. Mobile application is not our area, sir, because we came to advanced Java means we are not opting our career as mobile application developers. But your Java also supports mobile application. The discussion we are going to do in before coming to servlets. The discussion. Okay. For now, make it. The applications which are executed in mobile environment are known as mobile applications. You can say. Just one short notes. Again, we'll have a discussion on Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. The discussion is going to happen before going to servlet. So there we reveal about mobile technology, we reveal. For now, application definition. How many types of applications are there now? 4 applications. What are they name it now? Standalone application, web application, enterprise application, mobile application. Standalone application, don't practice, not needed. It's alphabet. Mobile application is not our area, leave it. Your task is to learn correctly web applications. Whether core Java, what has been happened, leave it. Advanced Java is crucial because you must develop your own project here, not program, project. You can come with any number of case studies here. I also will feel happy. Core Java, if you write programs also, happiness will not be there. For me also, happiness will be in advanced Java only. Because student will make applications. He'll bring HTML, he'll bring JavaScript, Angular. He makes one beautiful page and he'll connect it. The form will come. The look will be very impressive look will be there. And the student will get awareness also. So how the data flows are going on between 3 layers. If any new concept is developed by the students, I'll show to you also. In advanced Java, student can connect his laptop and show it. Your work you can show. Sir, I done this. I want to expose myself. Means I am there to expose you. You can collect it because here 3 layers will be there. No, I developed means happiness only because you're understanding 3 layers. In core Java, single program, the main method will be there, sir. Again, subclass, sir. Very easy, no, sir. 100 lines, 200 lines. I had it. But here, 3 layers, no, sir. I'm happy because I'm controlling HTML, I'm controlling database, I'm controlling server. If I write my application, boldness will be increased for me. I can stand bit confident in the interview if you know advanced. So advanced Java play crucial role to you in learning mode. Java available or not available as secondary. If you think like this, you will not complete your school age also. Yes or no? No. If anybody's case school age job not there means you must not sit at home. Don't say to your brothers or any your small kids are there. Don't say that one. They never go to school also because job not available now here. So the same thing. It creates capability. Okay. Indirectly, what I'm trying to say to you is you are sitting here for web application development. At any cost, I must learn how to develop one small mini project. Okay, right. What your web application includes, read for me now. What is the first one now? JDBC. What is the start what now? JDBC, I'm going to start it. How I'll start JDBC means write it. Define storage, write it. Definition. Define storage. Define storage. Define storage. Right. Look here. When you see your core Java syllabus, after many introductions completed, first chapter we say data type we say. Data types is the first chapter actually. But in core Java, you must go like this, like this, like this, like this, data types will come. Core Java headache that JDK, JRE, JVM, virtual machine, dot, one data type will come. But chapter number 1 is data types. Sir, why I'm learning data types? The reason to declare one variable. Yes or no? Sir, in my programming, I must declare one variable with one data type. So for that, I learned data type. I came to variable. What is variable? Simply you can say data holder. You can say it holds the data or not now. X is equal to 10 means X is holding 10. We feel it. So variables are data holders. Sir, variable is holding data means it is storage only, no? Yes or no? Variable is one storage. The memory location where data is available to access. The memory location where data is available to access is known as storage. All of you understand that storage is variable storage, object storage, file storage, database storage, secondary. But what is storage now? Sir, one memory location, that is where my data is. Developer, no, my data is available there. My data is available there to access. That area I am calling it as a storage. Make it definition. The memory location. The memory location where the data is available. The memory location where the data is available for access. Available for access is known as storage. Is known as storage. The memory location where the data is available for access. Where the data is available for access is known as storage. All of understood storage? Right. Now, as a developer, how many storages I must imagine it? According to application development. Application can be anything. Standalone or web or enterprise or future, whatever it may be. According to application development, storages are categorized into 4 types. Make a statement. Whatever I'm speaking, be regular to the class, but clearly. Advanced Java not there, word not there. Don't listen to your friends. If advanced Java not there, why management will give sessions for us? Moreover, everybody knows American trainers means they'll take more amount. They are spending 3 months time on advanced Java means that is creating one capability for you. So, okay, right. I only will send you for Spring. I only can say when my student will understand Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring JDBC, Spring ORM, Spring Data, Spring Security, then comes Spring Boot. But students are jumping directly. Promotion, directly Spring Boot, sir. Because my uncle said, my brother said, where you'll go? Jumping. You should not go. Right? If you come blindly in a short period, command will be there. Confidence will be there. You can survive for many years. Survival domain, no. How can you jump and learn? That only the people are removed, no. The people not understand, they'll come out. That'll lay off. Go and sit on the bench and go out. How many days I can pay to you? Worth not there. Go and sit on the bench. This jumping people, that all jumping people. They can survive 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. After that, they must stand on the road only. If concept not there. If concept is there, for you tension not there. That's why I'm speaking to you. So I'm entering into my storages. You should imagine it. According to application development. Application can be anything. Make it. According to application development, the storages are categorized into four types. Categorized into four types. One, FIELD, field storage, object storage, file storage, database storage. Four types. Field storage, object storage, file storage, and database storage. Right. How I should look this four means by Friday you will write your first program. Be alert. All systems are installed with Oracle. All are attending Oracle means Oracle will be there. Version can be anything. No restriction. First we start with Oracle. In between, I'll train MySQL also to you. How to interact with MySQL, I will train it. First, we have to start with Oracle because your course curriculum given Oracle. By default, notes will be in Oracle. And we'll give a standby database as MySQL. Notes will be given. Some students can learn how to interact with MySQL. That's the plan. So my target, I'll give anyway today, Monday, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Thursday, Friday, I'll keep practical. That's a plan for this week. Okay, right. I'm entering already. See there. For this demo class not needed, strength also not needed for us. Advanced Java. Because management will announce one batch and who are interested, they'll come and learn. They'll close the batch. Advanced Java is an add-on, no? Right? Because Advanced Java, they will not wait also. Because who are left here and there in a full stack people who not planned themselves, they'll come and sit and complete it. So because they will not wait also, we also never wait because introductions not needed. You are understanding now what I'm speaking? Slowly I'm entering already. Sir, when I want to imaginate my storages here. So this is your machine. Always will write machine. Machine means virtual machine. Anyway, in this virtual machine, in D drive or E drive somewhere, that's called file storage. Some file storage will be there, part of your machine. Sir, here only I installed my database also. C drive, D drive, E drive somewhere. I kept my DB storage. I kept database storage. I kept. Sir, this machine will be under the control of operating system. Will be under the control of operating system. Operating system. Operating system. Yes. This operating system, we call it as a platform, always by terminology. Upon this operating system, in your core Java, sir, my JVM will be running here. Java virtual machine. My JVM will be running here. Our applications, our programs will run in JVM. In JVM, we had field storages. FIELD. Field storage will be there. Part of JVM only, object storage will be there. Object storage will be there. Object storage. These two storages are part of JVM. These two storages are part of a machine. All of you understood this statement? How I drawn to you? Right. Sir, what is that field storage? I want to know, sir. If possible, who are maintaining a notes, write and keep it. Location of storages. Right. JVM two storages. Two machines only. One is virtual machine, one is original machine. Two storages in virtual machine, two storages in the original machine. That's the meaning of it. So, all of you drawn it? Right. So, whenever I say field or object storage, they are part of our Java virtual machine. Whenever I say file or DB storage, they are part of original machines. That is our visualization, developer visualization, where they are. Okay, right. Now, what is this field storage? I want to know, sir. Make it. Field storage. Field storage. Right. Field storage. The memory generated to hold single value. Pick it. The memory generated to hold single data value is known as field storage. The memory generated to hold single data value is known as field storage. Is known as field storage. Right. Give that papers back again. Right. Right. Data types are how many types in your core Java? Two types you must say. How many types? Two types only. If anybody is saying three, two types. Primitive, non-primitive. Primitive means how many types now? Four. What are they? Integer, float, character, boolean. Non-primitive means how many types? You must say four. Class, interface, array, enum. If anybody asked a string, comes under class. If anybody asked object, object comes under class. Some materials will write string data type, object data type, nothing but they are classes. You can say class data type, you can say four. Class, interface, array, enum, String and object comes under class category, you must say. So finally, primitive is there, non-primitive is there. Primitive data types will generate field storages. Primitive data types will generate field storages. Make it. Primitive data types generate field storages. Primitive data types generate field storages. Like this. Suppose I am declaring one variable here like this. Int k is equal to 12. This is data type. So this is one data type. This is data type. This is variable. This is one variable. Variable. So this is value. Now, k can hold how many values? One only. If I write k, int k is equal to 12 comma 13, error will come. So there, what happened here now, sir? This is in a memory point of view, what happens? First, RHS executed first. What is RHS now? 12 is there. Number without a decimal point considered as integer family. Integer family means 4. Byte short, int long. By default, it is considered as int. Default int. Int means how many bytes to you? 4 bytes. Yes or no? Na? So 4 bytes memory will come. Because by default int, sir, 4 bytes memory will come. That 4 bytes memory will hold 12. All of you understand that memory will hold 12. This memory needs one name, that only k. What is the name of that memory now? K. How much memory generated now? 4 bytes. The memory is holding how many values now? Single. The memory is holding how many values? 1. The memory generated to hold single data value, we call it as field storage. So this storage is field storage. F-I-E-L-D. Field storage. Who are maintaining a notes, right? Field storage means one memory generated to hold single data value. It's called field storage. Field storage. Why is screen not visible always? Right. All of you understood field storage, says or no to me? Right. Where these field storages will come? According to developer, field storage will be in the class level. Yes or no? Na? Static variable. Field storage will be in the object level, instance variable. Field storage will be in the method level, Nothing but local variable. Developer can decide this field storage location, maybe in the class level, maybe in the object level, maybe in the method level. Class level means a static variable. Object level means instance variable. Method level means local variable. Make a statement. Note. Pasting one diagram here. Because I'll send a notes now, I'm putting a diagram so that I can paste it and send for you. Right. After this, note. These field storages can be class level. Class level means static variables. Object level. Instance variables. Method level. That is local variables. So your field storages can be in the class level. Your field storages can be in the object level. Your field storages can be in the method level. All of you clear about this statement, what I made to you? Right. All of you understood field storage? Right. Sir, field storage is nothing but primitive data type variables. Primitive data type variables will create field storages. The field storages can be in the class level, object level, and method level. This is about your field storage. Now comes your object storage. Okay. Can I do this by tomorrow? Day 2. Right. Today only day 1 now. Right. Okay. See there. What is tomorrow? Why I stopped there means object we have to discuss more. Core Java total objects only. The total core Java knowledge should come there. Okay, right. Drawback of field and object only, file will come. File storage also core Java syllabus only. Right? So tomorrow object storage, file storage discussion. So 2 days will be completed, no? Right. Third day, database discussion. When the database discussion started, we are going to introduce JDBC driver and making your system ready to run your program. That we discuss on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. First application. That's a plan. All of you clear about it? Sir, why you are saying up to Friday means Saturday, some review. If anybody comes late, small review. And we'll do the syllabus part also Saturday also. Because if we complete, nothing will be there and only 3-4 days. First program running, only problems will come. So once you run your first program, nothing will be there. Very easy will be there. JDBC. So meanwhile, who are in core Javas, in this 15 days or 3 weeks time is there, no? Their core Java will come to ending almost. That's the technique we play. So who are coming in the middle of core Java here? So when you started advanced Java, first chapter will be easy. Just Oracle interaction will be there. So here almost 18 sessions means almost 2.5 weeks. You take 3 weeks. In that 3 weeks, their core Java in the frequency will be there. No, it will move to many levels. It will be moved, and core Java will come to ending there, and you will enter into chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 only important. What's the point? So take a break. Hope notes they'll coordinate to you. Today only no first batch. Today all day mode is there, I think, for everybody. So tomorrow they'll coordinate you. more, and they'll give a link to you. I think Google Class, not Google Classroom immediately. Some drive they will give it first, one demo drive they'll give it. Through that they'll educate in notes, already core Java pattern. After that they'll give a room to you, right? Take a break bit early today. Tomorrow I'll come with the object storages, right? Take a break. Thank you very much for today.